So because I have a one-car garage, I thought it was necessary for me to have some sort of dust collection system. So this video is going to be about how I set up a 3-station dust collection system. I picked up this cyclone separator lid that fits on a big box 5-gallon bucket. It separates the big chunks out before the vacuum utilizing the cyclonic separation method. The vacuum is a plain old rigid 16-gallon wet dry vac. First I found a center point about 4 inches from the corner so that it was away from the support braces on the table. I didn't have a compass, so I utilized a ruler to make marks around the center point at the same radius distance away from the center, and I made enough of them to get a rough idea of what my circle would be. I used a 3/4 inch to cut a starter hole for the jigsaw, and then used the jigsaw to cut around where I'd already made the marks around the center. After that, I used a Dremel router tool and routed out the edges so that the PVC pipe wouldn't get cut or caught along the edges when I pulled it through.
Perfect.
And finally I sanded the edges for a smoother finish for the PVC hose. The final step in this project was to connect all the PVC hose with the 3-station setup I bought from PowerTech in order to have my selector system available. I utilized plastic hanger strap to hang the PVC hose from the studs in the wall.
Perfect.
So here's the final piece. I have a 16-gallon wet dry vacuum powering the entire system with the cyclonic separator as a precursor. My initial Y-split goes to the miter saw selector. After that, I have one more Y-split to go to the front of the garage and the rear of the garage. And the rear selector is set up so that I can have a bench top and sanding collection. The front selector is mainly for my table saw and jointer. However, I left about 20 extra feet of PVC hose at the front of the garage so that I can reach out to vacuum the cars if I need to, and also to pull the table saw out to the driveway for the larger 4x8 sheet cuts. The unforeseen benefit of this extra length was that I can now reach the entire garage as well to help clean anywhere as I need.
Perfect.